Right then, so the 3 Batman sets that I mentioned before are not available in the US, but they are available in Europe for some strange reason. So in the US, you guys aren't getting them until August, which is really weird. So this is the first one, which is the Batman Mech armor. So we'll have a look at this one and give it a quick build. I'll build each set one after the other in separate videos. I don't even know how to open this box. There's no, oh yeah, there we go. Okay, so let's go. Unbox. This is not going to end well, this one, I don't think. It's too small. Oh, yeah. Wrecked, completely wrecked. Thanks for that, Lego. Okay, I don't even know if the if the instructions are up for this one yet, because when I searched earlier on the US site, because it's not launched in the US, there's no instructions. So I don't even know if it's available. So I might have to use this miniature manual, which would be interesting. Okay, so I'm going to start the build. We've got just 3 bags, unnumbered, and a manual, so with a cape, no doubt, in here. So I'm going to start the speed build now. Alright then, that was a nice quick build. One problem, one piece was actually wrong. I won't bother contacting them. I'll just go to the local Lego store because you can't really notice it. But yeah, it's, if you look here, where are we? Can't see it now. You see, I can't even see it, so what's the problem? No problem. Anyway, one little piece is wrong, and I'm not all that bothered about it, to be honest. Yeah, it's a mech. Nothing fantastic. I like it. Simple build, nice and quick. We got shooting red dice. No, dice. What was it called? Dice. Yeah. Red studs. You just load up the gun and it's there. Okay. And then you got the bottom around here. He comes out. So you can pose these wings however you like. He comes out of there. He's got two faces on his face. He's got two faces on his head. So there's that one, and then on the back is that one. Just making sure I got it in the picture. I should keep his helmet on because that's cooler, I think, personally. So yeah, it's a mech. It's a cute little build. Good, I would have thought, for kids, but I don't think you'd be playing much with this, to be honest. Probably full of pieces, but yeah, it's a good little build. It's fine. It's kind of like very difficult to pose a little bit, but you know, not a problem. Well, that's that build over. I will read you the description, because normally I read the description. Scale up the crime fighting action with the Batman mech. Open its cockpit and put the Batman minifigure at the controls. Then move the mech's jointed arms, legs and hands to take on any villain that gets in your way. With a giant Batamarang, stud launcher, and jetpacks. Pack. It says, yes, jetpack on his back. Okay. The mighty mech takes Batman adventures to dizzying new heights. Yay! Whoosh. Okay, bye. Okay, so yeah, it's kind of it. It's good little set. I'm not the sort of thing that I would normally buy, but I like the Batman stuff because I'm currently building the Gotham City nighttime thing, poster, whatever. I can't remember what it's called. The scene, the nighttime scene. I'm building that, so I'm a little bit into Batman right now. So yeah, that was the first build. Very quick, short video. Smash the like button. Subscribe if you want, please. Comment in the comment section. What do you think? Are you going to buy it? Did you buy it? If you're in America, you're not going to get them until August the 1st. Anywhere else in the world, it seems like everyone else has got them already. We got them a little bit later than the UK, but ahead of the US, which is very strange. But whatever, it's all good. This is a good little set for kids that are into Batman, and for me, big kid that's into Batman. He's got his gold belt as well, which is pretty cool, I suppose. Yeah, not massively impressed, but it is what it is. It's a very, very small set, and the kids will love it. Thanks very much for watching. Bye.